Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader, here with your Thursday morning market webcast. Okay, we got a band ride. We got 4 days worth of a band ride, and I was just saying in the room, the Bollinger Bandwidth is at 12. So this is not like compression to expansion, that kind of a band ride. This is, the bands are blown out. We don't care. We're going to reject every rally you throw, and we're going to make a lower low. So, it popped off a Fed day. They rejected it here. If you look at it a little tighter, it rejected down into the 40 or 33 area, popped up to 59 or 60, and then they killed it. So we had the initial short, although I did the best I could. I got it 72. Then we bought it, and then we flipped at 59. And that was a beautiful thing. So it ended up being about 80 handle day. 60 of those were after 2 o'clock. We had talked about two day, there were two parts of the day yesterday. There was the before the Fed and then after the Fed. So they've wound it back up a little bit. They took it down and they killed it again last night down to 24.7625. And now they're winding it back up into the area of the hourly midband. 15.16 has been important. 15.16 was the daily lower band yesterday. That's below now. Now it's in the 24.90 area. So it's been touched. So the band ride extends into tomorrow no matter what happens today. The band has been touched. It's been engaged. It is what it is. So for us, right now I'm flat. I'm going to wait for this thing to open. I'm not trying to trade every inch of this market. We are certainly in the mode where we are protecting the week. We're at over 150 handles for the week, and I don't know what the month is. It's probably going to be better than November. November was 500 and change. I think we're probably going to beat that. Although, this thing could go to sleep after Christmas, and you know what, it has every right to. But it hasn't been a dead December, that's for sure. So I want to watch the lows. I want to watch 15.16. And I want to watch the hourly midband in between as it kind of tries to make a decision about what it wants to do. If we get a relief rally, bear market rally, dead cat bounce, whatever moniker you want to give it, that should go at a minimum up to daily pivot there in the area in and around 25.30. And then we start to see what it wants to be. So remember what I've told you guys every day for the last couple of months about bear market rallies. You can be long. You can stand aside, but you don't want to be early short. You got to wait for things to kind of die out, and when they do, and you see some confirming lower highs, that's when you can start to get involved. So, should be an interesting day. I'll be very interested to see if we close today with something with a 25 in front of it or a 24 in front of it. I think that's going to be a big deal as we head into Friday. All right. Take care. We'll have some more stuff out on social. Come check that out. Come check us out. Come check us out. There's no sense me giving you a hard sell. The stuff sells itself. So I will catch everybody over on social. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.